What's up, y'all? It's Sid. I'm back with the vlog.
Yeah.
You're in the mix with the one only DJ Inspo.
Walked in when I was a new youngin'. Shawty, you were tryna run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things unknown. You said day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running up track. It's a one life, you tell me one life. One time, you tell me one time. Open your eyes, baby. Can you be wise, cause I'm a pride, baby. I'm on the way, I'm on the run, baby. Leave me alone, take it by now. I put you on it. Say you want chance to what it on me. I feel I want it back. Turn you right around and take it my way. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Say tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no more damages. Back then when I was a baby girl, I was yours and you were my world. Tell me what you wanna do for me now. Take it down and I'll hold you to run my race, cause you run it right there. Run my race, cause you take it right there. I've been down, I've been running right there. I've been out, could you take it back there? Pull up tonight, I might be risky. Buy me stomach, forget the whiskey. But you still wanna get back with me. You tryna be the one and deal with. Don't got my phone, you're not the madman. You missed the way in not the one chance. I live my life, don't need you with me. Yeah. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. So tell me what you need from me now. You know what I need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no. Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Say tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no. No more damages. All you do is lie. All you do is try. You don't even know the kind of things. Why you try to tell me all these things? today. Hey, I'ma vibe out today. Away, I'ma vibe out today. Away, I'ma vibe out today. Away.
Elevated heights, emanating light. A white tiger can't deny, I'm taking away my stripes. Through the valleys and the peaks.
Spare change.
spare change, ma'am?
With the dice, play your image nice. No time, gotta say it twice. Life's for the living, I'm just tripping off the greatest spice. Strong roots, bare fruit, we got the juice within. Back against the wind, time to win again. Grab my fire dripping pen, type it to my zen. Tell the universe to bend, then produce a gem. You know the blend, make it classic. I ain't even capping. 3 tips in a row, that's a hat trick. Tell so they can adapt it. If you want that original vibe, you gon' blast it.
So maintaining the energy, it remains in my memory. Yeah, so yeah, I'm the eyes will see. I won't get no apologies, oh no. Can you feel me? I'm living my life now. I'm living my time now. I'm living my life. So live life. No time. So live life. No time.
Live life, my guy, no think twice. My head anointed with oil, my drip nice. We manifesting the vibes on this side. They try to trick guys, their lies and sit right. In the eye of the storm, we sit tight. Even when there was turbulence in flight. Sweat the world and prepare for these times. The weak will switch sides, the eagles keep flying. Cause that's why we came, not for the fame. Big shell inherit, that's the word that remains. Ogumade, that's the blood